Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Adil and today's video is all about the VW Amarok that we've upgraded with a laser lamp solution. But before we get on to today's video, make sure you guys at home have subscribed to our YouTube channel because we've got a massive competition live on our channel at the moment. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison amplifier. All the details are in the description below. However, let's get on with today's video. So you might actually recognize this vehicle featured on our YouTube channel relatively recently. The car is back in for more upgrades. We're adding on the laser lamp solution. It's something called the LazerLamps Triple R 750 lighting upgrade that goes into the front grille. We're going to show you around it all now, but if you want to see all of the sound system stuff, make sure you go check it out by clicking the link up here. So what is LazerLamps? LazerLamp is a lighting solution that comes with a full 5-year manufacturer warranty as long as it's installed by an approved installer. These lights are actually an Amarok fitting kit live directly that we fitted onto the front bumper. What's involved in doing something is actually removing the bumper because we were actually also adding in some other lights onto the vehicle too. But the LazerLamp solution is an incredible bit of kit. What's involved is an incision on either side as well as the top and bottom to allow for the lights to actually be mounted into the front grille. They look absolutely incredible, but the light output these produce over other lights on the market is literally night and day. These are absolutely incredible. I actually use laser lamps on my vehicle currently as well. It is the only lighting solution that we like to add on as a high beam or full assist of a lighting upgrade. And they do so many different versatile different bits of kit, like the Utility 80 is a great bit of kit as well. If you want to know more about laser lamps and more about this particular product, link for it is in the description below. But let us know what your thoughts are on actually looking at something like this. So actually inside the vehicle now, how is the system wired into the vehicle? The actual cable run goes directly from the lights all the way through factory grommet onto, and we actually pick up what's called a high beam signal on the Amarok. You can either do it in two ways. You can either have it on a switch or live directly from high beam. Customers opted for high beam, so you've either got it on the flash where you pull the light forward and obviously the lights turn on, or you've got it on full high beam as well when you push it forward. The other really nice thing is when your lights are actually, when you're not on high beam, you've got a really nice DRL light built into the Triple R 750 design that blends in so nicely with the rest of the vehicle. So there's lots of different ways of actually wiring the system into the vehicle, and that's all done via the consultation. But it's a really, really nice, phenomenal bit of kit that the light output on this thing is literally night and day, guys. You have to kind of see it to believe it, but if you're interested in something like this, watch one of our Navarro videos. Link is up here, and you can actually see the difference between driving on the road without laser lamps as well as driving with it. It honestly makes a world of difference. We're all wrapped up here on today's video, so thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video as well. If you're interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything in a load more detail with you, but thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you all soon.